Tell me what you gonna do about it. Hey.
Countless lives, but still to tell the world they were justified. When the rest of the continent stepped in to say, how can such chaos be? Justified. And the world's peace lovers want landmines banned, a stand so noble and justified. But the arms dealers and their scientists vowed to save them back. Yo, give more to Wama, Tai Tai, more to what dance, Lai Lai, give more Tabani, bye bye, listen, Lai Lai, sit at him, Tai Tai. Ufi Tetseba when the Baba Shamo Hebong, Batuba Santen by Kisa Tobong, Akolota di Toto, di Hasa di Tota, Arele Moan and Achasi Rota. The Toto Sabawe, the Tamote, Shele, the Ferre Lato, Alatsela, Zile. Ajala tamo mahasi ahaisa mahosimo mahaising ka toretse ba khwedi mo le shekereng ena chika mo di sekeleng ko ba khota mbara la matsogo ba tola a sena dithong tsa go ba itatola ka yo ke motho wa ma tai motho wa tense lai ke mo tshabale bye ka ile se lai se tetse ma tai. I'm a changed man. Oh yes, my darling, I'm a changed man. Welcome to a man who won't forget your birthday, your church day, your gym day, your every special day. Hours and hours will be spent by your side. Long, slow drives in a beautiful ride. Because I'm a changed man. I want my piece of paradise that side of the fence, and I pray that my wish is not an offense that will force me to come up with some kind of defense. Will I go there and end up jumping that fence? Jumping that fence. That fence called the buffalo fence, telling its story is not an offense.
Worn thin with tears and sight, a hug from you will make my world anew. But that's a wish I'll never get, and it's breaking me into two or a million pieces I can't connect. Pictures, videos, messages, a bittersweet refrain reminding me of
green represents envy, I was told. Envy which breaks and takes, breaks friendships and families with no retake, ends with low life and sorrow, lost goals and hopes for everything that once looked too good. Doubt me, but think about it. The Grinch wouldn't have chosen green if it wasn't to show you envy. Nonetheless, it looks justified.
Solutions to warfare of this world lies in the hands of A. Every community, empire, state needs A. This poem was written by A. For A, I am A.
Love for change brings something else, or something that will also bring something else. Can I rob a bank and be justified? Betray a good friend and be justified? Preach chauvinism and be justified? Cash in on your ignorance and be justified? Or hate democracy and be justified? Have it my way and be justified? Invade another country and be justified? Or behave like Trump and be justified? Is every act supposed to be? Or we just can't tell.
O mai hiwayo, mahere wayo,